Look at all these squirrels out here. Oh, just so Speedy and Buddy. That is awesome. I haven't seen them in a little while. We were worried. All right, good. Here you go. Hey, you, Speedy. You, Speedy. Oh my goodness. Speedy's back. Speedy's been missing for like 3 weeks. Speedy. What are you doing, guys? Huh? Well, grab a peanut, guys. Can't be giving out the pecans like crazy. I know Mama wants to, but she's just not. Uh-oh, alarm's going off. Get up in the trees, guys. Oh, false alarm. Yeah. It's New Year's Eve day. 1 second. Let me go. I gotta get some more pecans out. 1 second, yeah. Oh. All right, guys. There we go. I know what you want. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Who's that? Here you go. My wife's mad at me. I told her don't give out all the pecans. So she had time to think about that for a little while. You know what happens then. We stew in our heads for a while. But it's all good, I guess, You don't stay together for 17 years without getting on each other's nerves once in a while. Alright, believe it or not, I could actually probably say the wrong thing sometimes, which is pretty hard to believe someone as spiritually fit as me. But I guess I could sound wrong, maybe. Well, you know, stuff's getting expensive with these squirrels. You say the wrong word at the wrong time, it can be, you know, there goes your New Year's, right? Look at these guys. I'm just so happy that Speedy came back. Who's that down there? Speedy, here. Oh my gosh, look at Speedy. Where you been, Speedy? Oh my goodness, we haven't seen her in weeks. I think she had babies, maybe. We were so worried about her. I mean, really. So happy to see Speedy. Yep, here you go, little one. What you want? Here. You don't want to come take it from me? All right, here. Blue jays are looking for peanuts. All right. If I stay out here, they'll just keep coming up. He took a peanut, that's good. Grab a peanut, good, good, good. Grab some peanuts, guys. Oh, hey! You guys are fighting over there. What are you guys doing? No fighting allowed. Who's that down there? Is that you, little fella? Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of squirrels out here. I have to go up here and refill. Who's that? Who's that there? Son of Speedy. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, look who's down here. Stormy, is that you? Or was it Speedy? Can't tell anymore. Look up. Yeah. Here you go. That's Buddy. Oh my gosh. They all came out this morning. Buddy, Speedy, Stormy. Mm. Alright guys. I gotta go. I'll throw some more peanuts up here. One second, guys. One second, guys. I'll throw some more peanuts up here for you. Everybody's gonna run now, right? Just dumping some more peanuts here. All right, guys. Oh yeah. All right, guys. All right, guys. There's peanuts down here. I'll throw a few pecans in there. Alright guys, I gotta go.